Hello guys, today we have Samsung S6 Edge Plus battery replacement. To open this device we need to heat the back glass with 2 Celsius degree for a few seconds to make the adhesive melt or soft, and then we can insert some plastic tools between the frame and the back glass. There is no flex cables at the back, but we have one thing that could be damaged is the wireless charging. It's on the middle of the phone, so when you insert that piece, don't go into the middle, just keep to the edges and that's it. You can keep heating every time you think you need some heat. Be careful not to bend because this is glass and could be broken. This thing should take the long time to be opened because we don't need to break the glass. I'm also opening it because I thought there's maybe flex is on the way. So that's why sometimes I take long time because I'm opening the device for the first time. I don't have any clue what could be in the way. It's like you are blind and you don't know nothing, so you keep your patient and then you can open the device without making damages. Alright, as I told you, there is no flex, but we have the wireless charging and the middle as I told you. Remove all the screws and remove the SIM card tray also. Now we can detach the frame or the LCD from the housing. There is no need to force or push it too much. We don't need to make any force, just easy, and this will lose and be removed. Alright, this job isn't that hard. We just need now to remove and unplug the battery. The battery is glued, so we need to remove the glue under it, and under it we have the screen. This is a metal piece, but you have to be very careful. I just bent a few the battery to put some alcohol between the battery and the adhesive. This is alcohol 99%. This is isopropyl alcohol. Careful not to reach the screen, and you can just pull out the battery few until all the alcohol just leaked inside, and then the battery will be released very easy. Now all you have to do is to put the new battery and that's it. Our job has been ended. If you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. I advise you here to remove the old adhesive and put a new adhesive. The customer didn't ask for a new adhesive.